Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'll be reviewing and installing this beautiful unit right here. Today's unit comes from Celie hair, so I do want to say big shout out and thank you to them for sending over today's unit. So if you guys are interested in hearing about this wig as well as watching me install it, make sure you continue to watch. And before we jump into today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload. You can follow me on my socials. They'll be right here on my screen as well as in my description bar. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video.
I wanna give you every chance to make it, to make it. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking. Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know that you'll reject my love. Moving slower, frozen to these pieces without a shoulder to cry on. And I'll stand against all enemies, your enemies. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking, but I'll still be your superhero. I'll be your superhero.
Alright you guys, so here is the finished look of today's install. Please let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I would love to hear it. I absolutely love this unit. I'm loving it from the full density to the color to the length to the style. Everything is just flowing well and working so good together. If you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a link there for you so you can get you one. Other than that, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.